I've generated over $13,000 doing TikTok creativity program, and you guys can do the exact same. So in today's video, I'll be telling you all the best niche possible that you can pick right now in 2024 that's currently working, as well as how to create these videos, like how to actually get good quality and stuff like that. So before I hop in all of that, let me tell y'all what a big opportunity it is to start doing the creativity program.
Creators have been blowing up everywhere, making thousands of dollars off the same exact niche. And pretty much how this works is for every 1,000 views you can receive, you can get anywhere from $1.50 to $2.50, and this niche usually falls in the higher RPM category.
So with all that said, let's hop straight into actually how to create these viral videos. So on my computer, you guys can literally do this on any computer, your school laptop, whatever. You guys can also do this on your iPhone, but this tutorial is strictly for the computer. So yeah, just follow these steps and you guys should be good to go. So the first thing you guys want to do is just look up tiktok.com, and then you guys want to go to the search, type in Reddit stories, press enter, and you guys are going to see a bunch of Reddit stories, of course. So just choose one. I recommend getting one over 1 million views, just because it's already like blown up and gone viral, so it should do the same for your video. So say this one, or not that one. You just want to get like a shorter one, just depends.
My aunt belittled me and killed my pet fish because it.
Just look for literally any of these work, guys. Like,
to be stuck in the dryer to tease my husband.
so like just do this one for example. This is all for example. So once you guys choose the video you like, just copy the link right here. Then what you guys are going to go to is ttdl.online. I will also have this like linked in the description, don't worry. So once you guys have the link, just paste it in, press download, press without watermark, and you guys will see it download right here. So once that's done, you guys want to go to this, it's called transcriptions, riverside.fm/transcriptions. This will also be link in description. Press transcribe now, go to your download, drop it in, press I am human, and how this is generating the text, go to voicemaker.in. Then if you guys want a free alternative, just go to 11 Labs. It does the same exact thing, but personally I just like to use Voicemaker. But yeah, this does the exact same thing for free, but personally I use Voicemaker. So once you guys have your text, just press download, press transcript. You guys will see it pop up in your downloads. Just press it, highlight the whole thing, then press copy or Control C. Go back to Voicemaker or 11 Labs or whatever you're in, press paste. And sometimes it screws up at the beginning, but it's very rare.
Pretended to be stuck in the dryer.
So the only word it missed is pretend. Alright. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Retarded. Alright. So yeah, once you guys have your stuff, if you guys are in Voicemaker, I recommend Matthew and set the voice speed to 18. And once you guys have that, just press convert to speech.
Pretended to be stuck in the dryer to tease my husband.
Okay. Damn, it's out of pocket. Press download. And guys, once you guys have your file from 11 Labs or wherever you got it, what you guys are going to want to do is close all your tabs and open up CapCut. So this ones are in CapCut. You guys want to open your file, go to downloads, and here will be your voice thing. Just slide it in, then you'll hear it.
Pretended to be stuck in the dryer.
All right, perfect. So once you guys have that, just go back to the Safari or whatever you're using, and you guys are want to go to Canva. And here's the thing for the intro, the little box, and I'll show y'all how to make it real quick. So just go to shapes and select this one and just expand it to however you want and just make it white. And you guys can make it whatever size you want. Just add your little profile picture. The text for this is Poppins, so just add your name, Then you can get this check anywhere on Google, the verification check. Then just get the Reddit emojis. Also, you can get that from Google, and this is also poppin'. So that's how you make the little intro thing. So what you guys want to do is go back to wherever your text was, and just copy the beginning. Just press copy, go back here, and just paste it in, and then there you go. And then once you guys have it, just press download, transparent background. And if you guys don't have the premium version, which allows you to do transparency, an alternative is where transparent. Yeah, you guys just go to transparent. It does the exact same thing for free. So you guys can do that. Then after you have that, you guys are gonna want to get Minecraft parkour gameplay, which you guys can get from pretty much anywhere. Y'all can get from YouTube, but the thing with this is I suggest it's a very low subscriber person, or else it's gonna be marked as copyright. So try to find not a popular one at all. So here, just click on a channel, just go to videos. So this has 1.5. people will probably use this. Just like you guys have to try to find a one that has very low viewing, or else people have already used it and it's gonna get copyrighted. Or you guys can just go on Fiverr and you guys can literally buy an hour's worth of gameplay for literally like $10. So you guys can do that too. That's what I did. It's honestly like the best because you guys won't get flagged at all. So once you have your gameplay, just wherever you have it, so just paste it in wherever you have it. Here it is. Just expand it. Make sure when your CapCut, this is 9:16, so it's TikTok format. Then drag this thing all the way to the end. It will like kind of lock on. Then press the split button. Then just press delete. There you go. So you guys want to go back to where your little intro thing was in the files. So here's mine. Just paste it in, and you guys want to end the end the little thing. Just split it when you hear the last word. For me, it's husband. So just play it.
Pretended to be stuck in the dryer to tease my husband.
So just pause it right as you hear husband, and just drag it all the way to the line. It'll be perfectly set up. So now just go to text, press auto captions, press generate, let it load, and you guys want this is how you expand it so it's easier to like edit, I guess. So obviously delete the intro part, so just click on the word. So after your text is imported, you delete this part, just highlight this whole thing, then go to font, and the font I use is called Berlin Sans FB Demi Bold. So I suggest you guys use that one. It's the best one. Here it is. Just type this in the search and you guys can find it. Then the font size, I usually do 22. Then I scroll down the stroke, and for this I do 35. Just press enter. Then you go to animation after that, go to captions, and then look for bounce out. Here it is.
I decided that.
Then just put this in the middle, obviously. There we go. And you guys are pretty much done.
Stuck in the dryer to tease.
Alright, so you guys are done with your story. So yeah, that's how you create the story. All you gotta do is press export and you can export it out. And yeah, that's how you create a simple Reddit story. And guys, learning how to create these videos is not just applied to TikTok. You guys can also post on YouTube Shorts. I heard they're rewarding them pretty well, as well as Instagram Reels, and just start building your page/brand. Like, you guys can really start building a brand with these Reddit stories. Like, you can even get endorsements with this. And yeah, if you guys want another video of me showing you how to actually set up your profile and the secret ways to posting so your video gets pushed out even more, just let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one.